You can see it. Go flip your three.
Goody, y'all.
Yeah, that's the Chef Narc cooking.
You guys want a burro?
Please and thank you.
Yeah, you know it. It's chorizo con papas and some beans with chorizo.
Damn. Narc. God damn.
Okay, so we bought a bunch of noodles and some fucking super glue, and we seen like that, like, I don't know if it's, I don't really, like, I just seen that video on fucking, I was gonna say it's like a challenge or some shit. But this is not, bro. Anyways, where the fuck's the shit at? It's over here. So, motherfucking egg bought a little 5-pack of fucking beef flavored top ramen and 3 crazy glues. So, and I think I have a little bit of drywall. So we're gonna try to fix these boards and just skate on here in the backyard and see if we can do enough, how many tricks we can do in them, dude. Ramen I've ever seen in my goddamn life, dude. I can't believe you got 5 of them for a fucking $1. These things are probably from like last year or some shit.
Aren't you supposed to make the noodles? Oh, wet ass noodles? No, Dom?
So this was Ed's idea, guys?
Nah, this was straight up Dom's. This was Dom's. Dom was saying to wet the goddamn noodles.
Okay, look, well this is what we're gonna do. This is the idea that we came up with. Just put the board together and crush all the little noodles into there and then super glue them.
After?
And I'm making the paste right now, a little compound mix.
You still need super glue from the back, so don't use it on.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, this is as big as Dom nuts at night, huh?
Hey, put the more.
This is a Dom load right here. That's a fat ass Dom load.
And this much more, look.
Should chill.
So I tried setting it down right now a little bit, and like this motherfucker is still a little wet. So we're just gonna let it dry overnight, and tomorrow, like as soon as everyone's off tomorrow, we're gonna set up this board and see if it's fucking skatable. Second day, let this motherfucker dry.
Like a week.
Alright, it's dry now, and we're gonna use this John to make it work.
Yeah, I don't think, like, to be honest, that fucking video on Twitter that's been going viral about the sinking, that's a fucking, yeah, he fixed it, but that shit broken after that instantly, I bet, nigga. So, this is busted, because I'm pretty sure we're not even gonna be able to do a single trick on it. It's gonna snap instantly. Bunk it.
Do you think it's gonna work? No. Think it's gonna work?
No. Oh, yeah, we don't have fucking, we weren't gonna buy grip for this shit, by the way.
It's not gonna work.
Like, cause it wasn't gonna work, you know, I wasn't gonna grip a whole ass board, so all I have is like these little spare grips from like designs that I made onto my grips. So we're just gonna throw this bitch on and then throw some wheels and some trucks on it and just fucking hope for the best.
This is the final product. Well, let's go try it out. We're gonna go try it out and we'll be back. Dude, that shit looks fucking disgusting.
I think I already seen it bent, bro.
Alright, Dom. At least a kickflip. You just broke it, bro. At least one kickflip, Dom. Just try to, or like a heel flip or something.
Once I get on it, it's gonna snap.
We'll stand on the bolts. Bro!
There you guys have it. Mid fucking busted.
I'm never getting how many hours? Like 2-3 hours back?
Yeah, I know.
What'd you say?
It was bonding time.
Bonding time.
once you have the grooves aligned, I can regulate it down. Then turn the valve a half to a quarter turn. This will open up the tank and let oxygen flow.